Have you ever wondered if you could make money by self-publishing books? What if I told you that you could earn $1,000 or more per month with Amazon KDP, even if you have no prior experience? It's easier than you think, and today I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process of how to start making money with Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing in 2025. Let's get started. First, let's talk about what Amazon KDP is. Amazon KDP, or Kindle Direct Publishing, is a platform that allows anyone to self-publish ebooks, paperbacks, or even hardcover books. You don't need to be a professional author or designer to get started. The platform handles printing, shipping, and customer service for you, making it a fantastic passive income opportunity. Now, let's break this process into easy-to-follow steps. Step 1. Choose a profitable niche. The first step is to decide what kind of book you want to publish. Don't worry, you don't have to write a novel. Low-content and no-content books, like journals, planners, coloring books, or logbooks, are incredibly popular and easy to create. For example, you can create a gratitude journal, a fitness planner, or a budget tracker. To find a profitable niche, head to Amazon's Books category and search for popular keywords like daily planner or self-care journal. Look for products with high reviews but low competition. If a journal has hundreds of reviews and is consistently ranked in the top 100, you're onto something. Step 2. Create your book. Now that you've chosen your niche, it's time to create your book. You don't need any fancy tools. Platforms like Canva make it super easy to design professional-looking book interiors and covers. For example, if you're creating a fitness planner, include sections for weekly goals, meal tracking, and workout logs. Canva has pre-made templates you can edit to save time or start from scratch with your ideas. Pro tip: keep your design simple and visually appealing. Buyers love clean layouts that are easy to use. For example, a gratitude journal might feature daily prompts like, "What made you smile today?" or "What are you grateful for this week?" Step 3. Format your book for KDP. Once your design is complete, it's time to format it for Amazon KDP. Don't worry, KDP provides free tools to make this step simple. Use their cover creator or template generator to ensure your book meets Amazon specifications. For low-content books like journals, your interior should be uploaded as a PDF, and your cover design must match the exact dimensions provided by Amazon. If you're nervous about formatting, search for tutorials on YouTube. There are tons of step-by-step guides to help you get it right the first time. Step 4. Publish your book on Amazon KDP. Now comes the exciting part: uploading your book to Amazon KDP. Create a free account, go to the Bookshelf tab, and click Create. You'll need to fill out details like your book title, description, keywords, and categories. Pro tip: use SEO-friendly keywords to make your book easier to find in Amazon searches. For example, if you're publishing a gratitude journal, use keywords like daily gratitude practice, journal for mindfulness, or self-care journal. When it comes to pricing, keep it competitive. Most low-content books are priced between $6.99 and $12.99, depending on the niche. Step 5. Market your book. Publishing your book is just the first step. Now it's time to promote it and start making sales. Social media is your best friend here. Start by sharing your book on platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok. Pro tip: create engaging content, like a TikTok video showing the pages of your journal with captions like, "This planner changed my life," or "Stay organized in 2025 with this daily planner." Pinterest is especially powerful for niches like planners or coloring books. Create pins, linking directly to your book's Amazon page. Another strategy is Amazon ads, which can give your book visibility in front of buyers already searching for similar products. Start with a small budget, like $5 a day, and test different ad campaigns. Finally, encourage reviews. Ask friends, family, or early buyers to leave honest feedback on your book. Positive reviews improve your book's ranking and boost sales over time. And here's a bonus tip. Don't stop at one book. Once you've published your first product, scale your business by creating more books in different niches. The more products you have on Amazon, the higher your chances of earning consistent income. So, there you have it. A simple guide to making $1,000 or more per month with Amazon KDP in 2025. Which niche are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more money-making tips, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates. Let's turn your creativity into cash. See you in the next video.